In the hottest day of our Ho Chi Minh City, what can we do to cool our minds and bodies? Not with those sugar-laden drinks like bubble tea, but a much healthier drink that can both hydrate us and give us plenty of vitamins and nutrients, which is the coconut water. But this holy water is not nutrient-dense to serve as our summer drink. It is the growth environment, much like that inside the mother's womb, in which the baby coconut embryo lives its earliest day. In our plant lab of IU Coconut Project, we crack open the coconut, let the water flow out, and pick the embryo to let it mature in a different way. The journey of the coconut embryo from birth to maturity will give us answers to many of the questions currently facing the coconut planting industry. Coconut is termed the tree of life, which gives us foods and planting materials. But the live trees around the world are dying due to reduced production, disasters, and diseases. Imagine exporting 100 coconut trees from Vietnam to Brazil to be planted, and then after you have waited 10 long years, all of the trees die because they cannot withstand the local root diseases. Coconut crop quality are degrading faster than ever, which means that the strongest crops can become extinct if we do not act now to conserve part of them. Countries around the world are joining hand in hand to combat this issue, and that's why our project's aims is to join with the coconut conserving movement with our 3 sub-branches: cloning, breeding, and marker group. In cloning, the baby embryo will have to leave its cozy nut to live in the laboratory glass tubes, and we raise them up like our kids, giving them extra sucrose and charcoals. Basically, we try to culture and clone them inside the lab to reduce growth time. And sooner, we will clone other parts like leaves or undeveloped flowers. Next comes breeding, when we prepare the soil for the coconut to grow themselves. But it is at this fragile transition state that many fell ill and fail to adapt, so we need to constantly measure their growth and watch out for diseases or bugs. At marker, we look at them at the molecular level, to the genes, to the DNAs, and those sequences called markers that decide which is the fittest variety so that we can plant more of them or create better hybrids. In the future, our project will have many tasks to complete, but as we branch out and connect globally, we hope to help this tree of life survive far beyond small farm planting. Later, our work will help you drink more nutritious and better tasting coconut water. But please remember, many hardships a cocoa tree has to face during many decades to create a sustainable life for themselves and for us humans. Thank you.